If you're tired of doing laundry the old way and you've been thinking about switching to a smart washer dryer combo, then stick around because today we're reviewing the brand new Roborock Zeo One, and trust me, this might just be the most hands-off laundry machine. Let's start with what makes this machine instantly stand out. Its full self-maintenance system. Unlike traditional washer dryers, the Zeo One automatically cleans both the lint and drain filters after every cycle. That means no more buildup, no more vent clogs, and no more having to constantly open the bottom hatch to rinse out sludge. It's genuinely set it and forget it. Next is one of my favorite features, the automatic detergent dispenser. You load it once with enough detergent and softener to last up to 30 days, and the machine takes care of the rest. It uses the exact amount needed for each load, saving time and reducing waste. Plus, everything is connected through the app, so you can monitor cycles, adjust settings, and even receive firmware updates. And yes, voice assistant integration is included for completely hands-free control. Now, let's talk performance. The Zeo One offers a 10 kilogram washing capacity and a 6 kilogram drying capacity, which is more than enough for families or busy individuals. If you're in a rush, the fast mode can wash and dry 1 kilogram of laundry in just 1 hour. And the unique honeycomb drying system uses micro steam holes to protect fabrics from heat damage, perfect for people who hate seeing their clothes wear out too quickly. For delicate items like wool and silk, the Zeo One uses low temperature drying, making it much gentler compared to standard machines. And aesthetically, it's designed to blend right into modern interiors with a clean black or white finish. Finally, the full touch display brings everything together. The interface is simple, fast, and incredibly intuitive. You get preset modes for cotton, synthetics, denim, wool, plus full customization for detergent levels, drying intensity, water temperature, start and end times, and more. It feels premium and easy to operate. So, is the Roborock Zeo One worth buying? If you want a space-saving washer dryer that practically runs itself, protects your clothes, and offers true smart home convenience, then yes, this is one of the most impressive options available right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. See you in the next one.